Hello and welcome to MegaFactory. On today's journey, we are diving deep into a truly fascinating culinary adventure. Have you ever stood in the aisle and wondered exactly how those jars of spicy bamboo shoots in the supermarket are prepared? Well, today is the day. We are stepping inside the world's largest spicy bamboo shoot processing factory to uncover the secret process. If you're curious, come along with me. We have so much to discover, so make sure to watch until the very end to see the full journey. Wow, look at this massive arrival. We are witnessing tons of fresh, raw bamboo shoots today. They pile up into a giant mountain, still covered in field soil, waiting for processing. A mechanical arm grabs a sample to check the quality of these raw bamboo treasures. Then, machines push the heavy loads into the intake, starting the journey of our spicy bamboo. They slide down the feeders, spreading out so we can see the sheer volume of bamboo. From above, the flow of bamboo shoots looks like a river entering the washing zone. Powerful water jets blast the skins, cleaning every inch of these tough bamboo exteriors. Inside the tumbling drum, the bamboo shoots roll around, knocking off all the stubborn mud. Water drains away, leaving the bamboo cleaner and ready for the detailed sorting process. The conveyor belt organizes them, letting only the perfect sizes of bamboo shoots pass through. If a bamboo shoot is too big, that lever kicks it aside for special handling. Now, thousands of clean bamboo shoots line up perfectly, marching toward the peeling area. Finally, we follow the bamboo stream as it enters the facility for the next step. Here, the bamboo enters the peeling zone, a crucial step for our spicy bamboo snack. Those abrasive brushes spin hard, scrubbing the tough outer skin off every single bamboo shoot. Friction rollers grab hold, pulling the remaining layers away to reveal the bamboo meat inside. It is so satisfying watching the waste fall, leaving only the edible bamboo parts. Out comes the pristine white bamboo, looking smooth and ready for the next cleaning stage. A curtain of water washes them again, ensuring no shell bits remain on the bamboo. Now, high-tech lasers scan the surface of every bamboo shoot to find any hidden defects. If the scanner sees a spot, a paddle kicks that bad bamboo shoot out instantly. The machine trims the ends, giving each piece of bamboo a flat, clean cut. We see the perfect cross-section now, showing just how fresh these bamboo shoots really are. They splash into salt water, swirling around to stay fresh and keep that white color. Elevators lift the clean bamboo up, moving the batch to the next processing level. The whole room is filled with bright white bamboo, ready to become a spicy treat. Now we align the shoots, guiding the bamboo into narrow channels for precise slicing. The blades chop down at incredible speeds, turning whole bamboo into uniform bite-sized slices. We keep the knives sharp automatically, ensuring every cut of bamboo is smooth and clean. Look at those bamboo slices flying out. The speed of production here is truly amazing. We end up with hundreds of identical bamboo pieces, perfect for the spicy snack jars. Some lines cut them into strips, making long, crunchy bamboo sticks for variety. In slow motion, the falling bamboo looks like a cascading waterfall of delicious ingredients. A vibration table spreads them out, so the bamboo slices do not stick together. They fall like a curtain, a massive volume of sliced bamboo heading for inspection. Sensors check the thickness, ensuring every slice of bamboo meets the strict quality standards. We get a close look at the texture. You can see the fibers in the bamboo. Small bits are filtered out, leaving only the best bamboo slices on the belt. The army of bamboo moves forward, ready for the heat that will cook them. Steam rises up ahead, signaling the next phase for our spicy bamboo shoots. The sliced bamboo enters a giant tunnel to get boiled and fully sterilized. Boiling water churns around the shoots, cooking the bamboo to remove any natural bitterness. Steam vents release the pressure, while the bamboo swims through the hot, bubbling water. Monitors track the heat, ensuring the bamboo cooks perfectly without getting too soft. You can see the bamboo changing color, turning a soft, appetizing yellow as it cooks. Steaming hot bamboo exits the boiler, now safe to eat, but very hot. Suddenly, ice-cold water blasts the bamboo. This shock is vital for a crunchy texture. The bamboo plunges into the cold tank, cooling instantly to lock in crispness. Paddles stir the bamboo gently, making sure every slice gets evenly cooled in water. Now we check the acidity levels guaranteeing the bamboo stays fresh in the jar. A shaker vibrates the bamboo hard, knocking off excess water from the surface. Soft rollers sponge the bamboo dry, preparing the surface to absorb the spicy sauce. Look how bouncy the bamboo is. That crisp texture is what makes this snack famous. Finally, we weigh the bamboo flow to get the right amount for mixing. Now for the flavor. Fresh red chilies are ground up to coat our bamboo. We mix spices in this giant blender, creating the seasoning base for spicy bamboo. Hot oil is infused with flavors, ready to turn plain bamboo into a fiery delight. Vinegar pours in like a waterfall, adding that tangy kick to the bamboo sauce. We test the thickness, ensuring the sauce will stick perfectly to every bamboo slice. The dark red sauce flows through pipes, heading to meet the waiting bamboo slices. Everything goes into the tumbler, where bamboo and spicy sauce finally come together. Gravity does the work, tumbling the bamboo until it's fully coated in spice. Look at that shine! The bamboo is now soaking up all that rich, oily goodness. We add garlic and chili flakes, giving the spicy bamboo an extra layer of flavor. The batch pours out, looking red, uniform, and incredibly appetizing as a snack. You can almost smell the spicy aroma rising from this pile of delicious bamboo. A conveyor lifts the seasoned bamboo up, ready to be packed into jars. Jars zip through UV lights, ensuring a clean home for the spicy bamboo. Pistons push the bamboo down, filling each jar with the exact amount of product. The machine seals the flavor in, capping our spicy bamboo shoots tight and secure. Labels are rolled on fast, identifying this as premium spicy bamboo for the market. X-rays check the jars one last time to ensure the bamboo is safe. Mechanical arms pack the jars into boxes, finishing the journey of the bamboo. Pallets of spicy bamboo shoots move to storage, ready to be shipped to you.